Hi, Julian. Hi. What'd you find? What did you find? Bebe? Bebe? Hi. Hi, Bebe. What you got there? What is that? Is that a shoe?
I think I've worn this before. I'm not putting it in your mouth.
Don't fall. Oh, what's that? What's that? That moves, and this I can put in my mouth.
Hey, get down.
Put him back in. I want to see if he learns how to climb up.
Let go.
Pick him up. Babe, pick him up on the shoulders, not from the... You're gonna drag him? His face is gonna smash into the thing.
No, I wanted him to hold on.
No.
Oye! Go back there.
Okay, put him down. Aww.
What happened?
What happened?
Put it down. You can get up. Do it yourself.
What, baby?
Come a bit. It's right there, baby. It's right here. Right here. Right there.
Well, you didn't leave it very challenging.
No, baby. That was too easy. Right there. It's right there. It's right
A little frustration in life is good, okay?
there. Babe, look. It's right here.
Do you surrender?
Here you go.
Cheap.